Hello guys, have not been doing much of programming for a long time here on YouTube, so let's do a little bit of programming just to freshen up our skills. Mainly I've been working on business development lately and actually building up our business so that we have proper business structures and a lot of other things. By the way, if you want to try out and work with us, we have a lot of different really cool projects. If you want to just volunteer and get some programming skills, you're more than welcome to give it a try. So the goal here is that we have the page here, this one, and then we have a section called our leadership, and then we have advisory board that links to this page. Advisory board is actually down below over here, so we need to make sure that we can link the advisory board from this location out to that page. So let's give it a go and we'll make it link. So the first thing, whenever I have a task like this, I need to see if advisory board has a certain ID that we can link it to. So this is the section that I'm inspecting using the inspect tool, and I'm seeing that, hey, there is no ID here, so we need to modify this section so that we can actually have an idea. Like say that this section has an ID, this section does not. So I know this section is called ACCA, so I'm going to log into the WordPress administration. Luckily we have access to the file theme editor in here. Make sure you do backups before you change anything. Making backups is important. Alright, so we are here. Then we're going to go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, and then we're going to go scroll all the way down to the advisory page. Actually, yeah, our leadership. So it's probably called our leadership in the template section. Our leadership page. Make sure you title things correct so that it's easy to find, just like we have been able to find a section really quickly here. You can see that we have a bunch of PHP code that outputs that specific section to the website. So now that we have access to the code, we really want to go in here and add a class here. Sorry, not class, add an ID. So we will do an ID equals to, let's do ACCA. That sounds fairly unique. Update file. So we have just added ID, but it's not going to change anything yet. We still need to make a link that links to this specific section. But because we have an ID, we can actually link to the specific location by doing # ACCA. I'm going to copy this. If I click enter, it's going to scroll right to the advisory board. Alright, so the next item here is we need to go back to the place where we are linking. It's in About Us page, and this is a simpler edit. We're going to go to Pages, and we're going to go to About Us page right here, and then we're going to scroll down to the advisory board, our leadership. See, this is a relative link. We don't want absolute links. This is an absolute link that actually has HTTPS, domain name. We don't need all of that. We need this. And make sure you have a backslash in front. Alright, there we go. I've just added the link to a specific location on that page. I'm going to go update it, and we are done. Let's check it out. Advisory board. Learn more button. Click it, scrolls right to this location where we need it to go. So the website is built for those who want to know a little bit more. by use of advanced custom fields, which is the best way you can build WordPress websites to ensure that they are running for a very long time and have good longevity to them. Alright, so hopefully this was interesting. A really quick tutorial on basic website link modifications when we're using advanced custom fields. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We do web development and graphic design, located in Central Pennsylvania, and our clients are all over the United States.